One of my very favorite parts about working at camp is going on trips. In my life outside of camp, I try to pull off these big, like, hiking, climbing, canoeing, camping trips. And when I'm at camp, I get to not only do those things, but get paid while I'm doing it. It's also really amazing to see kids do stuff that I never got to do as a kid, like climbing big rocks in the Adirondacks, summiting peaks all over Vermont, canoeing through a lake in Maine. Like, it can't really get better than that. It's amazing to be a part of something so much bigger than myself, and that's a huge reason why I love to work at Timberlake.